Introducing the Supremus factory terminated speaker cable from QED. QED Supremus loudspeaker cable is the ultimate expression of sound born of pure science. It has been 21 years in the making. The largest cross-section area of pure copper ever incorporated into a QED loudspeaker cable enables the Supremus to deliver ultra-low resistance required to ensure perfect fidelity of the musical signal. With a 6.2mm squared cross-sectional area, the Supremus boasts two bundles of 16 silver-plated cryogenically treated oxygen-free copper conductors for ultra-low resistance, exerting beautiful control, bringing your amplifier and speakers electrically closer together. QED's proprietary air core technology keeps inductance and capacitance at vanishingly low levels. This changes the magnetic field within the cable to ensure high frequencies travel through the central part of the conductor. The result is an unrivaled level of high frequency detail and cable timing. Other features include a new enamelled conductor insulation, providing the best insulating properties and setting a new standard for the installation hierarchy. Utilising QED's proprietary AirLoc technology for oxygen-free cold weld connections made for life. Cryogenic treatment, improving the physical properties of the copper, eliminating dislocations in the material's microstructure. And there are also options to apply contact enhancer to ensure the best possible connection between your system. Every cable is handcrafted to the highest possible standard, after which it is rigorously tested. Only then will it be approved by a member of the cable quality team. Transform your listening experience today. Now available at Future Shop.